Historic amounts of rainfall here on the Suncoast.
Yeah, it's really incredible if you think about it, how much rain has really fallen. It looks like a trillion gallons in the Houston area throughout East Texas. That's an amazing amount. Now, rainfall
not over yet.
Yeah, rainfall totals right now at 29 inches. That's the maximum so far from Harvey. 29 inches, and that's in Liberty. We are looking at here, get this, 22 inches of rainfall at Whitfield, here along West Central Florida. So we're rivaling some of the again, places in Texas as far as rainfall. It's just that our water is able to run off into the Gulf of Mexico, whereas Houston, it's just a big bowl there, causing all sorts of catastrophic flooding, as we have seen over the past 24 hours. At one point on Sunday, Houston reported 16 inches of rainfall in one day, obviously setting a record for us. We've also set a record here for excessive rainfall amount in just one day here in August. We're also the second wettest August on record, and records have been kept for over 100 years here along the Sarasota. And again, the second wettest in August isn't over yet. We have more rain out there. There's a little disturbance, a little piece of energy still in the atmosphere. We have this line of low pressure, if you will, an axis. It's a trough axis that extends from these tropical systems as they move on through. You can see another one right here with, again, Harvey still spinning right over the waters there. And you can see that trough axis going all the way down south of Texas and toward Mexico there. So these can sometimes be a significant problem, as we are seeing right here. Now, the rain has taken a little break here along the Suncoast temporarily. Big heavy rain along Interstate 75 and north of Manatee County and I-275. The rain is light now in northeast Manatee County. A little break in Venice. They saw over 4 inches of rainfall there today. Palmer Ranch reporting again over 14 inches of rain. Palmer Ranch also getting 14 inches of rain over the past 3 days. Not just today, but past 3 days. That's that rainfall total too at the Sarasota Brady Airport, exceeding 16 inches unofficially at this point. We'll have to keep an eye on this area. This is a large area of heavy rainfall out there in the Gulf of Mexico, which is moving to the northeast along that trough axis. And in Northport, also seeing some flooding earlier today. That flood warning that had been in place for Northport and Rotunda and Inglewood and also up to Venice and Osprey has expired. Looks like we are still under a flood watch though until 8 o'clock. For us for this area again tomorrow. So again, rainfall estimates have been fairly high across the region. The evening planner showing showers occasionally in the forecast again through this evening and on into Tuesday morning. You can see that dry air. This is going to be the help that we're going to need eventually as the tropical disturbance and now tropical depression moves to the northeast. It will pull this trough axis up with it a little bit, so we won't have the lift as much, and this drier air will start to filter in too beginning later on Tuesday. So improving forecast, though we have to get through tonight and tomorrow morning. 79 right now. Dew point is at 73, and winds are out of the west-southwest at 11 miles an hour. The high today was 86 only due to the cloud cover, and the normal high at 90 degrees. The rainfall today at the Sarasota Brady Airport, over 2 inches of rainfall, and the average again for the month is 8 inches, and we're at now 20.88 inches, on the verge of getting the wettest August on record. If we get about 4 more inches of rainfall anywhere along the Suncoast. Now, as far as the forecast goes tomorrow, this particular model indicating morning showers and storms around, and then we'll see some clearing into the afternoon, and we'll see showers and storms come back, however, on Thursday in the typical afternoon and evening variety. So it won't be the torrential downpours that we've seen, but you know, the afternoon and evening storms can also cause some flooding. If the ground's saturated, flooding will be a concern, I think, over the upcoming days. Again, that shower and storm forecast will stay with us after we get through Wednesday. Well, this is going to be Irma. It's going to head off to the northeast, and there are tropical storm warnings in effect for the Carolina coast. Harvey continues just to kind of hang around here for the next couple of days and eventually moves off to the northeast. So Harvey, although will cause more rainfall, looks like a lot of it will be to the east. And as forecast goes for us, here's what it looks like for boaters. Winds will be out of the southwest at 10 knots. Seas will be right around 2 feet and a light chop on there. Boaters expect occasional showers and storms in the morning. The extended forecast shapes up like this. A good chance for showers and storms tomorrow, tapering off, and then back with us the afternoon variety.